Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zandy Jamel, and today I have a very special video. I am collaborating with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Christiana James, and she reached out to me, wanted to do a collab, and today we're collabing on a monochromatic purple look. I didn't have any ideas on what to collab about. We have collabed a lot in the past, and she's doing a monochromatic series on her channel, so she told me to choose a color, and of course I had to choose my favorite, purple, because purple is life. And yeah, I really love Christiana James. She's so sweet and genuine. Her channel, her content, her creativity, it's all amazing. She's amazing, beautiful, and inside out. And we've been friends for about, I guess, 2 years now. Yeah, I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, and that's how long we've been YouTube friends. And yeah, she's amazing and I love her. So make sure you guys check out her channel if you haven't already, and subscribe to her. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay, so first I'm gonna set my eye with my Louise base. I finally got this product and it's pretty good. I have the color, what is this, Rumor 05, and take that and put that on my lid. For my first transition shade, I'm going in my 80s Baby palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and I'm taking a Morphe E27 brush, and I'm gonna just go ahead and apply that shade all over the lid. I don't know if I said it, but I'm taking the shade Care Bear, which is a very lilac purple, which is perfect for this look. Next, I'm using the same palette, and I'm gonna go in the shade The Baby, which is that shade right there. And I'm gonna be applying that with my Morphe E22 brush. And this will be my second transitioning shade. So now I'm gonna go in my Exotic Peacock palette, and I'm gonna go in the shade Lustful, which is this beautiful darker matte purple, also by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And I'm taking that on, oh, excuse me, this is a Sigma E25 brush. And I'm gonna just pat that all right here. Oh, sorry. And I'm gonna just pat that all in the crease. Okay, so I want to deepen up the crease just a little bit more, but I don't want to use a black shade. So I'm going to go in my Magic palette, and I'm going to use this shade Ife, which is a very dark, deep purple. And that would go ahead. And that would go ahead and give me the deep crease that I want. Okay, and now for the lids, I'm gonna go ahead and use this liquid eyeshadow, which is very pretty. It's by Black Radiance, and this is in the shade Star Studded. And let me give you a quick swatch right there. So I'm gonna kind of like use this to cut my crease a little, and hopefully it works out. patting that on. I'm gonna give that a couple seconds to dry because my lids feel so wet. Ooh, I love the glittery, how it glistens. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation and concealer on along with my lashes and eyeliner, and I'll be right back to continue the tutorial for you. Okay, and I'm back. I went ahead and added my lashes and did my liner and did my foundation off camera. I also did my concealer and contoured a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in my blush, and for my blush I'm going in with my black Radiance. This is like actually like a highlighter, but it's not popping as much as a highlighter for me, so I use it as a blush, and it's purple. And since we're doing a monochromatic purple look, I thought it'll be fitting to use for this look. For those of you that don't know, I really like to go ham with my blush. So it gives it a nice, pretty pinkish purple effect. I'm gonna just add just a little more because I cannot get enough of it. You can see it has a little glow to it, but not too much. And now getting into glows, I am going in my black Radiance. What is this? True Complexion 3D highlighter palette. And I'm going in the shade First Class, and look at this. It's that nice purple. It's like a lilac purple right there. Oh, look at that. You see that? Ooh. Look, ooh, ooh. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna go add a little more. I'm gonna go a little crazy today. Highlighter. Get it all up there. And I like to blend my highlighter in just a little bit, like. I like it to look soft and wet. Is the light too bright? Ooh, okay, I want to turn down the lights just a little bit so we can really see. Oh, this highlighter is nice and fine. The glitter in it is like nice and refined. It's not too much. Okay, and before I go in with the lipstick, I want to go ahead and set my face. And for that, I'm using my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. This right here. And whew, lately I've been going crazy with my setting spray too. This smells so beautiful. For the lips, I'm going in with the lippie. This is the Colourpop Leatherette. No, Colourpop lippie stick in the shade Leather. And it's a beautiful purple shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm digging this look. I'm digging the whole monochromatic theme. I'm so happy I agreed to do this collaboration. I usually don't do monochromatic makeup looks, but I think I'm gonna have to do it more often because I'm digging this look. Now lastly, I'm gonna go ahead over my lips with this metallic lipstick from Black Radiance, and this is in the shade Mercury, and I just think it'll be beautiful on top of this. Just give it a cute little glitter sheen. So the lip topper has a little silver sheen to it. It looks, on camera it comes off as an ashy purple on my lips, but it's actually quite beautiful. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I just realized that this lash is a little wonky, but it will do. I'm really happy with how this look came out. I really love the purple highlighter and the purple blush. I have some pimples. My skin is not the best today. I was going to take some brow pomade and turn them into moles. That's what I normally do when I wear makeup and have pimples, but I'm going to just go with it today. But yeah, excuse my skin. It's usually not like this. I've been eating recklessly and it's showing. But anyway, back to the makeup. I'm really happy with how this look came about because I really wanted to do a nice deep purple look, but I didn't want it to look so edgy. So I'm so happy that it came out looking nice, deep and purple and soft at the same time. And I had fun doing this, just creating this look. I'm usually not a monochromatic girl. I usually do, I don't know, different colors and whatnot, but I don't know, I may have to continue to try to do this more because this came out fabulous. Maybe I'll do some more colors in the future. Let me know what you think about this look and how it turned out in the comments below. You guys don't be afraid to talk to me. Everything on my face will be listed down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your time. Also, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Christiana's channel. It'll be linked down below. But that's all for now, you guys. Bye.